Hello everybody, it's Pixel, and today I'm going to be making a cream cheese chicken casserole. For that I'm going to need 2 large chicken breasts that are frozen, a can of cream of chicken soup, a packet of buttermilk chicken ranch or just normal, a pack of cream cheese room temperature, and a little under 1/3 cup of milk. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of my own Weber garlic parmesan seasoning to it. And this is all just going to be pour and go, so it should be pretty easy. Let's go. Starting off is simple. You're going to take your room temperature cream cheese, the can of soup. I put my milk in the soup can to get the rest out. A packet of ranch. I'm going to give a generous sprinkle. I would call that about a tablespoon of my garlic parmesan. That's going to get mixed together thoroughly. And once that's mixed together, you're going to distribute that over the chicken in generous dollops of the mixture, doing your best to let it cover it. And once you have that nice and evenly layered on, we'll put the lid on. This will go on low for the next 6 hours. Alrighty, we got our chicken over some cheesy rice I had, and I'm gonna try it on out. It shredded very easily, which was a plus. See, just falls apart. Let's go. Well, I'm definitely going to be making this one again. I actually think it might be a little better mixed in with just like egg noodles or a pasta of your choice. But for slow cooking for 6 hours, it was really easy to throw together and the outcome is amazing. So, as normal, if you like what you saw, don't like what you saw, tell me in the comments. Leave me a like. And I will see you in our next one.